Laura, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Just wanted to start off by saying I hope everyone had the most amazing Christmas and New Year, and I hope everyone's had a good start to 2020 so far. So I'm just back with another hair video. Today I'm going to be showing you what I use to keep my hair silver in between going to the hairdressers, and also how I blow dry my hair. I do blow dry my hair every now and again just because I try not to use straighteners on it. With this bleaching my hair and colouring it quite often, my hair tends to get quite weak. So I have been not using straighteners and just trying to blow dry it as much as I can. So I have been using the Amika Bust Your Brass shampoo and conditioner. There's these ones here. This is the colour. There's like a really dark purple colour. So that's the shampoo. And that's how dark the conditioner is. These smell absolutely amazing. I mean, all of them Amika range does, but I just love the smell. The smell unreal. So I don't use this every time I wash my hair. I use it every other time I wash my hair. It's a really strong silver shampoo, so it sticks quite well. You don't need to use it that often. I do just shampoo my hair once, leave it on for about 5 minutes, wash it off, and then I go in with the conditioner, leave that on for about 5 minutes, and then wash that off. I'm going to just insert a little clip of how I wash my hair, like how much shampoo I put on, how much conditioner I put on. I leave both on for like 5 minutes before I wash it off. So once I get out the shower, I usually just wrap my hair up in a towel, leave it on for around about 10 minutes. This is when I just quickly stick my makeup on. And then before I brush my hair, I use the Amika leave-in conditioner. Spray this into my hands, about 3 pumps. About 2 or 3 pumps of this in my hands, rub it in, and then I rub it through my hair. This is also perfect for obviously helping with getting rid of any knots if you do generally have tatty hair. It just leaves like a nice soft layer on your hair before you brush it through, so you're not actually ripping any knotted hair. So once I've sprayed that on, I usually just brush through with my Tangle Teezer wet brush. This is amazing for getting knots out of your hair while your hair is wet. It does not pull at all. It has these like different length bristles, like short ones and long ones, so it's really gentle on your hair. And obviously with me bleaching my hair, I have to use anything possible to try and stop it from snapping further. And then to dry my hair, I use this Amika hairdryer. This one's like, I mean, it doesn't show up as neon on camera, but in real life it is neon. It's very bright. This is actually the best hairdryer I think I have ever used. I mean, it's like a proper heavy quality hairdryer. Like, it feels amazing. Like, it just feels so good when you're drying your hair with it, if that makes sense. It feels like a proper salon hairdryer. That's probably a better description. So yeah, I just go through, blast my hair dry for about 3 minutes with this, and then I use my Tangle Teezer blow drying brush. All the bristles are like the same length, but they have like rubber. They're like a really hard rubber, which like is amazing for keeping the tension in your hair if you're trying to blow dry it and getting a nice smooth blow dry. It's amazing for that. So I use this. I just section my hair off into 3. So I do like the first from like about here under this part, and then the second from like temples over, and then the top half is the last part. I'll also just quickly insert a little clip on how I blow dry my hair. I'm no expert in blow drying hair. I just do really basically what works best for my hair. Yeah, so I'll insert that little clip in now. I will link all of the items that I've used in the description box if anyone would like to check them out. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.